if you see here, all from January to December, it is in the small letter, right? So I want to change it to capital letter. So what I have to do is go for the next column, just click on it, type equal to, I'll just zoom it, okay, equal to, type upper, okay, select this one and then click on this and just enter, and then come here and drag up to downside. So see, all changed into capital. But if you try to copy and paste, if you see, still if you click on it means there will be a formula. So how to remove it means, just copy the content, copy this row, copy, and again right click here. If you see in paste options, you have values, so just click on values. Now if you click here, see that formula went, you have only alphabet, then you copy and paste here, so your work is done. After that you can change your font whichever you want and it will become normal. Okay,